What's up guys? Dave the Phone Guy here, back for another video, and today we're gonna try something a little bit different. I have been unboxing and reviewing high-end earbuds or earphones, whatever you want to call them, and it's not affordable for everybody. So I wanted to take a different path, down a different way, and look at the cheaper earbuds that are available. And today I have the KZ S1Ds, and my friends from Hi-Fi Go sent these over for me to take a look at. Yeah, so let's get to it. Let's do what I do. Let's do what we do. Let's do this. All right, guys, so the first thing that we're gonna do is unbox it. So let's do it. Dun, 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 dun. So these are Bluetooth 5.0. What I read on the website is they will give you about 3 hours of playback time. So we got our headphones right in there. The USB-C connector, so that's good right off the bat. Here we got our A to C adapter and our setup guide. Let's throw all that to the side. So this feels pretty light, not a lot of weight to it. The top has that nice snap, but it will close on its own, so it doesn't have a strong hinge to hold it open. And the actual size of the case is a bit large, but again, we're looking at $25 or less for this. I think they're like 22 bucks or something, might vary depending on what country you're in. These are the headsets here, the earphones, and they also come, I didn't pull these out of the box, there are some additional tips depending on your ear size. So there's a few other ones in here. All right, so I'm gonna pop that one in. Feels kind of snug. Pop that one in. And it looks like they were already on because I saw the light flashing. So let's see if we can get these paired up. And as soon as it connected, I heard in my right ear that they were connected, which is good. So far, I mean, I've had them in my ears a couple minutes now, and they feel snug, they feel good. So that's a good sign right off the bat, because I typically have a hard time wearing the actual in-ear buds as opposed to the TWSs. You know, they're in your ear, but they're not in your ear all the way. So these actually feel quite comfortable. They're nice and light. The next thing I want to do is let's play some music. Let's see how they sound. Load up some YouTube music. Jump into the top 100 like I do. And let's just hit shuffle and see what it brings us. Take these out for a second. We know that at this price point, the headsets are not gonna win any awards for sound quality, but what I can tell you is they sound clean. The highs are there, there's not a lot of bass, but they're clean, they sound good and crisp. There's nothing wrong. Now, if you're an audiophile and you want the mids and the lows and the highs and you want everything sounding perfect, obviously these aren't for you, and you're gonna be looking at those $100, $150, $200 earbuds. So these sound okay for 20 bucks. I'm kind of impressed. So the next test I wanna do is I'm gonna do a mic test. Now, again, I don't expect these to do great, but I expect them to do good. I expect you to be able to make and hear a call. So let's check it out. Let's do that now. So I'm gonna put these back in. And by the way, double tap does allow them to skip to the next song. All right, guys, so we're gonna open the voice recorder. We're gonna see how it goes, right? We're gonna check it out. So.
All right, guys. So this is the sound of my voice using the KZ S1D. How does it sound? Is it crisp? Is it clear? Is it clean? Are you able to hear everything that I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and pop in the second one, see if that makes any difference at all.
Again, this is the sound of my voice with both headsets in. Let me know. Let me know what you think. Next quick test I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play some of that background noise. See how they do with the noise in the background. All right, guys, so now I have some ambient noise running in the background. Again, Tell me, how does it sound? What do you think? Once again, I don't expect these to win any awards, but what I do expect is that you can still hear my voice and know what I'm saying and understand me clearly. That's what I would expect. So again, this is the sound of my voice with the ambient noise running in the background. I'm gonna go ahead and shut that down. I'm gonna pause this. So what do you guys think? You're gonna have to let me know everything in the comments below. I got a few more different pairs of Bluetooths coming in the same price point. We're gonna go down this road and take a look at what's available on the cheaper end of the spectrum. We'll go from there. Also, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so that you can pick up a pair of these. Again, my friends over at hifigo.com, they sent me these to try out. So yeah, that's it guys. If you like this video and I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll get notified of my next video. Talk to you guys later.